Hey there, welcome back to channel Earn Wisely, where we explore exciting ways to make money online. Today, we have something special for you, a step-by-step guide on how to turn your creativity into cash with the power of Canva. Section 1. Unleashing Canva's Potential. First things first, let's talk about why Canva is the game changer for online income. It's not just a graphic design tool, it's a money-making machine. From stunning visuals to compelling presentations, Canva has got your back. Section 2. Crafting your niche. Now, grab a pen and paper because we're about to discover your niche. Canva is versatile, and whether you're into graphic design, social media marketing, or even ebook creation, there's a market for you. Section 3. Designing your success. Time to get hands-on. I'll walk you through creating eye-catching designs that sell. We'll explore features like Canva Pro, custom fonts, and killer color combinations that make your work stand out in the crowded online space. Section 4. Monetizing your creations. Now, here's the juicy part, turning those designs into dollars. We'll discuss platforms like Etsy, Fiverr, and even your own website where you can showcase and sell your Canva masterpieces. It's easier than you think. Section 5. Scaling up and automating. Ready to scale up your Canva empire? I'll share tips on automating your workflow, managing clients, and creating a passive income stream. Because who doesn't want to make money while sipping a coconut on the beach? Conclusion. There you have it, folks. A blueprint for making money online with Canva. Remember, the key is to unleash your creativity and turn it into a profitable venture. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more exciting content. Text, subscribe for more money-making tips. Subscribe button. Bonus tip for viewers. But wait, before you go, here's a bonus tip. Collaborate with other Canva enthusiasts and join online communities. Networking can open doors to new opportunities, partnerships, and even more ways to boost your online income. So, join the conversation and let your creativity shine. I want to hear from you. Have you started your Canva journey? Share your experiences, tips, and questions in the comments below. Let's build a supportive community of creative entrepreneurs right here on Earn Wisely.